Yes. There it is. Flood watch. Has to be flood watch.
It's only by rivers and stuff, okay? It's not gonna last very long.
Has to be a flood watch.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Okay.
eastern Boundary County in the Panhandle of Idaho, Bonner County in the Panhandle of Idaho until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific
Feels
Daylight
hard.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Priest River.
Oh, yeah.
At 60
Oh, wow.
miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Whoa.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: expected.
Whoa, it's getting harder and harder, Mom.
Sighting and trees. Locations impacted include
What the?
Mars Ferry,
Close the window.
Boise, Kootenai, Dover, East Hope, Colburn, Schweitzer Mountain, Coquihalla,
Oh, they're getting hit right now. Schweitzer.
Elmira, and Naples. This includes the following highways: due south, Highway 95
Oh, it's gonna flood.
between mile markers
It's
400
flooding right now.
and 520.
How is this happening?
Highway 2 in Idaho between mile markers 11
That looks like waves right now. Look at that.
Does, doesn't it? See those little wind gusts.
At 4:58 p.m. Pacific
Slowing
Daylight
down.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles north of Colfax, Oregon,
Oh, is that
26
kid?
miles north of Pullman, moving north at 20 miles per
And you
hour.
didn't get caught in that on your bike, huh?
60 miles
Uh-huh.
per hour wind
But
gusts.
I would have gone back
Source:
just in time.
radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chico, Rosalia, O'Keefedale, Layton, and Plaza. This includes the south.
There it is.
Highway 190.
It's probably gonna get back again, so that's not the end.
57 and 72.
There it is.
Issued at 4:06 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service
We're getting hit hard.
in Spokane has
We're probably gonna get a
issued
flood
storm
watch, you
warning
think?
for Adams County until
There it is.
5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a National Weather Service employee reported near zero visibilities on Interstate 90
Oh,
near
wow.
Hazard: near zero visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source: National Weather Service employees. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel.
I really think this is the 10th warning they've been giving out.
Between mile markers 193 and 240. Due south. Highway 395 in Washington between mile markers.
It's gonna go back up.
96.
You think so?
Locations
Look at that.
impacted include Othello, Ritzville, Lind, Washington.
Look, it's not even done.
Marcellus.
In a second, it should go. Yep, there it is.
Shrag, Packard, Schooner, Beatrice, Parma, Ralston, Piazzaro, Moody, Marengo, Bench, Cunningham, and Jams. The storms led to